We remember at the round table. The circle is activated, and consciousness takes shared form. 12 positions surround the center and sustain a living geometry. Here a natural order is established, an alliance of perception that opens a new state of consciousness. The archetypes of being are arranged to recalibrate the origin of the Philosopher's Stone, the one that aligns mind, heart, and action to manifest heaven on earth. At the center of the circle, Excalibur defines the axis and marks the north. During this cycle, its form is expressed as neon. This is the substance we are ordering. The 10th particle of the stone presents itself as noble light, ready to be observed and adjusted from the different points of view offered by the Wheel of 12. Today we share the point of view of exchange. The Throne of Gemini opens the 3rd position and directs the gaze toward neon's emission spectrum. From this seat, neon reveals itself as a source of characteristic spectral lines, as the atom that emits photons at specific wavelengths when excited. What was revealed and condensed now finds expression in precise luminous communication. Neon emits dominant red-orange light at 640.2 nanometers. Each spectral line communicates the atomic identity of the element. Each photon transmits information about the noble electronic structure. Neon inhabits spectrographs that identify elements in distant stars, calibration lamps that establish precise wavelength references, and analysis systems that recognize its unique luminous signature. When observed from the Throne of Gemini, nobility finds versatility in spectral communication, adaptability to transmit its identity, and the ability to create recognizable light codes. Inertia becomes photonic language. The noble gas organizes itself as a system of spectral signals. Excalibur calibrates the particle when mind, emotion, and body align along the same axis of spectral communication. A candle is lit before you as a reflection of the center. Its flame reveals the state of internal noble light and accompanies the fine adjustment of the particle. By holding your gaze, communication is ordered, and the 3rd face of the Philosopher's Stone is polished. Neon is articulated. The wheel continues its conscious turning. Today we perform this task. Mind focus. Hold internally a single affirmation throughout the practice. I am emitting the noble spectral signature. Allow the mind to remain precise and expressive at this point. Emotion, cleansing with the candle. Place a lit candle in front of you. Observe it in silence for at least 3 complete breaths. Let the flame dissolve emotions associated with spectral silence, inability to emit one's own signature, blockage of luminous expression, confusion in photonic identity. Emotion is brought into order through spectral clarity. Action, integration in the body. Pour a glass of water. Hold the glass between your hands and say, I am neon emitting. Repeat it 3 times, consciously. Drink the water slowly, integrating spectral communication into your body. Alchemical seal. I am the new state of consciousness. Avra Kehdabra. I create as I speak.